Simple Cafe Sound. Tutorials to the point. This is how you connect a monitor display to a speaker system using an aux jack. We'll go over it a couple of times. The first will just be a show only, then I'll do a show and tell, and at the very end, we'll go over some notes that might help you out. Okay, let's start by just having a look here. Alright, let's look at that one more time, but this time it'll be a show and tell. Okay, all we need here is a standard aux cable. Here's a link to one in the description in case you need to order it. But alright, what I'm doing first is plugging into the TV's aux jack. And the port that you need to plug into may have different names, but you'll be good to go as long as it's labeled one of the following: either aux, headphones, line, or audio out. It's quite possible that your TV doesn't have this port, but if that's the case for you, don't panic. At the end of this video, you'll find a whole playlist of other ways to connect a display to a speaker system. Alright, final step. With our monitor ready to send its audio signal out through this auxiliary cable, let's complete the connection from our display into our speaker. So yeah, just take the other end of your aux cable and put it into the same type of port on your speaker. But that one will be labeled either aux in, line in, or audio in. Keyword here being in, to get that audio signal out from your display into your speaker. So yeah, that completes the physical connection. But if any of this didn't go for you exactly like it did in the video, well then stick around for some notes that might help you out. First of all, make sure that your speaker is even on, because sometimes you can't even tell, right? If you connected a portable speaker with a battery, by the way, make sure it's actually charged. And be sure to turn the volume up on your speaker plus your TV. You can't overlook the simple stuff. Now, about the cable itself, it's called a 3.5 millimeter because that's the size of the plug. These are commonly used for headphones, but whether you're using it for headphones or a speaker system, the process is the same. You're still sending two audio signals to be heard through either tiny speakers in your headphones or huge speakers amplified by an amplifier. So what about the quality of the cable itself? Certainly we all want high quality audio, but when it comes to aux cables, in my simple experience, and I think this is a good thing, that I really haven't noticed big differences between different quality cables, because at the end of the day, they're all using the same material to transmit the audio signal. Good old plain copper. The only time I do notice a difference is, well, of course, when there's just too much wear and tear to the cable itself to maintain a good solid connection. Now about the ports. It could be that your TV or speaker don't have an aux port, and if that's the case, maybe what they have instead is a pair of RCA connectors, and you can still make your connection with one of these cables or adapters. If there's a digital audio port on your TV, well, check this out. You can use a digital to analog converter. If that optical port is on your speaker, well, you can use another converter very similar but a different name. It's called analog to digital converter. The names are flipped there. Now this final note is just in case you're still not hearing the audio come out of your speakers. If everything is on, the volume is up on both your TV and speaker, the audio may still not be coming out of your speaker because your TV is not currently set up to do so. And if you don't know how to set it up, well, just go into your TV's audio settings, have a look at the menus and find the sound output selections and make the changes there to external speakers. Now, if you're connected to a PC, it could be that you can go to your audio settings, and there's usually a shortcut to it by clicking on the speaker icon. Once there, you can select your connected speaker. Alright, right up here is that playlist I was talking about earlier, and down below is the video that YouTube thinks you might like to check out next. In the meantime, give me a like if you liked the video, and if you'd like to, well, you can also give me a super thanks. I hope you get connected, and I'll see you on the next one.